Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Monday, August 21st of 2023, and we are back for yet another stream. The plan for today's stream is to build some microcontroller code. This is a little bit different and it's not done. It's not hooked up. It's not ready in any way, shape, or form. This is a new microcontroller project that I've been working on, and I'm lazy, so I want to use Arduino, but I'm not lazy enough to use the IDE, so we're going to try and figure out how to compile Arduino code for this, using the way that they don't recommend. Shaking my head not using MicroPython. I would love to use MicroPython. I don't know if there's a good way to do that on this controller, though. But maybe we'll put a little tiny bit of effort into seeing if that's possible. Because really all I need is serial input and digital output pins. And MicroPython is actually pretty great for that. Which MCU is it? It's the ATmega32U4. Which is the same one that I'm using for my other project. ATmega32U4 MicroPython. No shot? Yeah. I had a feeling it's a little bit underpowered. Oh, not enough RAM even. Yeah. That doesn't surprise, but yeah, we're gonna be doing something extremely simple, so hopefully we don't need anything special for that. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I'm going to show off why we're doing this. Because I have a new project. You may have seen the start of it from my fuck-ups. Where I took apart and then bricked a 2DS. And part of the reason it got bricked is I was using the wrong screwdriver. This is a shiv that we made to make the Phillips screwdriver sort of work. As it turns out, the 2DS is JIS screws and not Phillips, despite looking like Phillips, but it is not. So yeah, we fucking bricked a 2DS, but we took it apart and it was fun. So at least we had fun taking it apart. So that was the first part of this project. Complete failure, but still fun. But a complete failure. Oh, also I didn't know about how the ribbon cables worked, so definitely ripped all of the ribbon cables off of the motherboard. And that's not how you're supposed to take them out. They come out very easily if you do the right things. Aha, but yeah, I just fucking ripped these assholes off instead of supposed to flip open the flap and then they just come out easily, but I didn't know. And the guide I was following just said pull out the ribbon cables. And I didn't fucking know, so yeah. Broke those little assholes. But anyway, 2DS learning experience, not that much loss, so I didn't feel super bad about it. And then, oh, I don't have many pictures of the taking apart. Well, just assume that this got taken apart. Where's my practice soldering? Did I not? My phone did not upload the practice soldering. Damn. Okay, well, this is gonna be very rest of the fucking owl then. Jumping ahead, why did that not work? Jumping ahead, took apart a 3DS, successfully took it apart this time, and did not rip all of the ribbon cables and have sadness. But took it apart and have soldered wires to test points. See these little itty bitty pads here? Not these tinier pads. Thank God I don't have to solder to those. But you'll see that I have soldered wires to a bunch of them. This was the biggest pain in the ass because there's 3 of them right next to each other. Actually, I have a photo of my success in that region. But yeah, soldering wires here. The plan is to be able to simulate button presses using a microcontroller. Yeah, look at how not fucked up these are. I even avoided this tiny little hole here somehow. But yeah, very, very precise soldering, and I am not I would say that I'm not very good at soldering, but I think I did pretty well on this, so I don't know, this felt pretty good getting that done. Also, this 3DS is just kind of disgusting. What the fuck is this? I don't even know what this is. This was secondhand, so it's not mine. Well, it is mine now, but yeah. A lot of soldering here. No idea whether it works yet. Have to build the firmware for my microcontroller to see if it works. Ethan, thank you for the resub at 45 months. I missed that one. Let me replay that. And Arc Slavic has resubbed at 28 months. Ethan, you're almost up to 4 years, which is crazy. Oh, I forgot to say hi to everyone. Let me say hi to everyone. JJMC was first today. Hello, hello. Armchair General, welcome back. Good to see you again. It's been a bit. Ethan's here with the resub, of course. Marsha's also here. Hello, hello. Grandma's iPad, good to see you again. Color Marku, hello, hello. And Arc Slavic, welcome back. It's been a bit. S1 Cube is also here. We've lost a great surgeon. Yeah, I was almost a doctor too, so like, yeah, I don't know. I'm very proud of my soldering here. I mean, this one's uglier, but the precision here felt pretty good. But I also don't know whether it works yet, so we'll see. We'll see. But I'll hopefully get this building and then report back later today. Mohammed Salak, hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. Phoenix the Beautiful says, is that Ubuntu or just another distro using GNOME? It is Ubuntu. Hikarobot, welcome to the stream. Oh, Hikarobot. Something like that. Welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. But, you know, after all of this disassembly, soldering, and eventually reassembly, I say reassembly, but it's mostly reassembled minus, you know, the case not exactly closing because despite cutting out a little hole for the wires, they don't really fit that well. The 3DS is very, very tight. There's not that much space in there, but got it reassembled and the wires come out the side. Labeled the wires. Could not have fucking sucked if I didn't label the wires. And managed to not brick the 3DS. Look at this shit. It turns on. Hooray. With the wires hanging out the side. This has got to be like, I think one of the highest highs I have ever had from like a project before, because this was, oh, there were a lot of small fiddly bits. There were a lot of tricky parts to this, and that it turns on after taking it all apart and, you know, a 19-step disassembly and like a bunch of shit that I learned as I was doing it and did not have instruction on. I'm very proud that I got it to boot after all of that. Still don't know whether these wires are actually going to work or not. And actually, I damaged one of the wires while putting in a screw. Because I actually, after this booted here, I took it apart again to widen this hole and widen some plastic that was under here. And I went from the highest highs to the lowest lows because after I'd widened the plastic, put it back together, it didn't boot. And so I had just like this huge sense of dread and panic, but I took it apart, was pretty calm, put it back together, and then it boots again. So almost disaster, but not. Yeah. But it does come back together and it does work. Why do I not have any photos of the test soldering? Anyway, the 2DS was not completely a waste. The 2DS here. I used this to do test point soldering, so did some practices on this once I was pretty confident. I did 3 in a row on this and I was like, it's easy. But yeah, I'll keep you up to date on whether this crazy thing actually works. But the good thing about the one wire that I broke being the B button is that I don't think I actually need the B button for what I'm trying to do, so hopefully it's okay. The hardest projects are the most satisfying. Yeah, this shit, I'll ride this shit for months. Ethan says, I remember doing a repaste to my GPU, which was water cooled, and I was sweating bullets the whole time. The high after doing it was pretty great. Yeah. Yeah. But, yeah, anyway, I'm going to keep a couple of these open because I'm sure I'm going to have to explain this throughout the stream. But yeah, anyway, this is in theory working. And so now it's time to do the code side of things. And, oh, we have a new Pokemon script running in the background. I think it's still kind of buggy, so we'll probably have to fix some stuff, but it's been running a bit. It's trying to reset max raid dens for shinies, which is incredibly slow. It is like one encounter every 3 minutes, so it's gonna take forever to get there, but it's automatic, so it should get there eventually. Okay, yeah, so I started writing notes for myself on what I need to do here. I found this Stack Overflow article that will hopefully help us through this, but the goal is to write Arduino C. Arduino has a bunch of libraries that they pre-build for you and basically dumb down microcontrollers. And yeah, I know I should probably figure out LUFA and write my own, you know, device IDs and all that shit. Or I could just be lazy. I could just be lazy and steal what other people have done and figure out Arduino make files and go from there. So yeah, that is the that is the plan. To figure this out. And I'm just gonna write a very simple program using Arduino that sets up serial, and I have a little buzzer on one of the digital output pins, so that's what I'm gonna use as my did the code work. My eventual board looks something like this, where I have microcontroller over here and level shifter over here. I'm gonna send digital signal into here, scoop it out of here and send it into the 3DS, and that should allow me to press buttons. But I also don't know what I'm doing, so I've been following a ton of guides on the internet, and hope they're right. Hope they're right, lol. Genius the Beautiful says, I could do it the proper way, or I could actually get the darn thing done in an efficient timeline. See, I could get this done even faster if I just use the IDE. I don't want to use the IDE, which is why I'm going down this stupid rabbit hole. But I think it'll be fun, more fun this way to figure this out. Their makefile looks way more complicated than I need it to be, though. So I hope I don't need quite all of this, but yeah. What the fuck is a .d file? Hello? Anyway. Yeah, so I've installed the libraries already. Which is this -L. Yeah. And so this file has, this package has the headers that I need, specifically. Where's big ol' arduino.h? Big ol' arduino.h. And oh, it's a source dependency file. Oh, I see. Interesting. Has the header for this, and then I believe somewhere in here, rep u4. I think software serial is the library that I need, maybe? Or maybe it's USB serial? I don't know. Somewhere in here I need serial stuff. Hardware serial? Maybe it's these. Hardware serial 0? No, hardware serial is TXRX, I think. Well, let's see. Arduino hardware serial versus virtual serial versus Software serial. Oh boy. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Hardware serial is called serial 1. Serial is a virtual USB serial. Okay, this is what I want. How I do that, I don't know. Arduino.h. Hardware serial a bunch.h. Oh boy. This is what I want, I believe. Serial port monitor is serial, and then serial port hardware is serial 1. Yeah, so something like this is where I will eventually get to. Cool. 18 mega 32U4. Okay, there are a bunch of ones that board called the Yun? Leonardo ETH Micro. This is technically what I have. Yeah. Okay. So anyway. So is your C++, or is it that weird C that Arduino uses? Not sure if the last one is accurate, only heard rumors. So my understanding is that Arduino uses a dialect of C++ that they, well, it's not actually C++, but they pre-process it into C++ and then build it. Yeah, that's my understanding. Okay, so I want to figure out what this does and how it works. We just care about the hex file eventually. So we need to I know we need to build our C++ file, and we also need to build all of the external libraries for this. I'm going to skip all the AVR writing flags because I'm just going to do that manually outside. Care about that. Fun signed bit field. No, yeah, chef is a flag. Blah blah blah. Don't care about Don't change below here for most purposes. Thanks, Elliot. This is more of a question for anyone going for my computer science degree. I would appreciate any tips or tricks. What do you mean by tips or tricks? If not defined, no Arduino. Okay. So this is where all the stuff gets added. Okay, so there should be a directory in here. Oops. What was that? Oh, I did the wrong thing. Hardware Arduino variants. So this apparently is what I need. Extra includers is this? Which includes from the Leonardo pins. Wait, what was this? Workaround for wrong definitions. Great. Love that. Yeah, this looks very useful. And then we get this stuff here. Okay, so definitely gonna need that. So where do the C files come from? Do. We'll probably need this, although I think that's not the right syntax. I don't remember the variable syntax in make. Oh, any advice? Build projects. uh You want to make a browser, but that seems lofty. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of work. Are you picking and choosing through the library to where it won't be too bloated? No, I'm just trying to get it to work. I don't really care about size. This is interesting. Arduino core there. Okay, so this is where all the C and C++ lives. The libder. I don't think I need any of those. Maybe I need HID? No, I don't think so. The fuck is SPI? Sensor stuff. Okay. If I remember correctly, the way this works is they have a setup at the beginning. Purple Elf with the raid message. How you doing? purple line feed. Thank you for the raid. Welcome, raiders. I hope you're doing well. Boy, how do I explain the terrible things that I am doing? Oh, I'm about to eat food also. Hello. How are you doing? Did it work? Did the foods? How was your stream? What were you working on? I have food to consume. But yeah, my name is Anthony. For those of you that don't know me, I usually work on open source Python. I maintain a few things that you may have heard of, such as Precommit, Flagate, Dead Snakes. How? Oh my god. What it? What the fuck? Don't worry about that. How did you squirt food so far?
I didn't.
No. It's maybe we shouldn't eat in the computer room. How is? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Nothing.
Yeah, I maintain a bunch of stuff. Today we're not working on Python. We are trying to build Arduino C++ stuff in order to yeah. In order to finish working on my 3DS hacking project, where I have soldered wires to the board and we're going to simulate button presses. Yeah. Look, it still works even after we fucked it up. Hooray! But yeah, the plan is to put these into microcontroller and send signals through that to press buttons and automate silly tasks, similar to what's happening on the Switch down there, but instead on the 3DS, which is a lot more work. It turns out. But yeah, this has been a really cool project so far. Even if it doesn't work, I feel like I've learned so much, and yeah. But yeah, thank you for the raid. Welcome, welcome. Had some deep philosophical discussions and worked on some new Gunroad stuff. Ooh, nice, nice. Let me say hi to everyone who joined from the raid. We've got Karalis, welcome, welcome. Wee Tommy's also here, but I don't know if you joined from the raid or not. Purple Elf, of course. Lirobi, welcome. User Goat, how you doing? Napkin says she was hacking hearts. Oh, I see. Browser extension? Yeah, browser extensions are easy to do. Isn't the dining room for eating? Yeah, but sometimes we're busy and hungry. All right, 778, thank you for the follow. And Bowled, thank you as well for the follow. Imagine not eating in front of the computer. Yeah. Karalis, hello, hello. How you doing? Important question, did you get a new Squish toy? No, I still have the broken one. Sadly, annoyingly. But eventually, I will have a not broken one. How did you manage to fling sauce so far? I'm just curious so I don't make the same mistake. Oh. Oh. Martin, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay, so I know I have to do this. Which pin was I using just to try this? Pin mode. Data ready pin. 10 output. Hopefully I just get that for free from somewhere. Okay, so that's the setup. Don't care about the rest of this. And that's set up, and then we got a loop skedoodle. I need to read, but I don't remember how to do that. Let's just set the output to high. Digital, oh, that's input. Chip select pin is output. We'll just do this, and it's going to be the most obnoxious thing ever. Yeah. Okay, anyway, that's going to be our C++, our tiny bit of C++ that we're going to try and write. There's actually no reason to do it like this. Let's do it like this. But we need to let it not quit. All right, cool. Wee Tommy says, "Mod a massive wooden dining table just to eat at the desk." It's true, but I can't stream programming from my dining table. Sandra says, "Hi Anthony, hello. Napkin says, "What is Arduino? I don't code that much." Basically, this little black chip thing here. There we go. This little thing is basically a tiny microprocessor. I'm planning to plug it in via USB port here. And then that little thing on the bottom changes the voltage, and I'm going to be using that to send signals into the 3DS. So that's basically a small computer. But yeah, magic, something like that. I actually have another one running right now that is controlling my Switch. So if you see the screen down there, that's a real Nintendo Switch that's being controlled by a very similar board. In fact, same board, but different, different configuration. But yeah, I'm using some of my knowledge that I learned setting this up to hopefully make this go a little bit easier. But yeah, this is the plan for what I want to get working here. But in theory, I can find the serial class in in here. Public stream. We can find the stream class, maybe? Which inherits print. Read peak available. That seems fine. If serial dot available, Mr. Danton, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. C equals, so it's int, I guess, sure. Int C equals that looks a little bit weird. Serial dot read. If C is equal to bang, then digital write and high. Buzzer equals 10. Sure. Buzzer. Okay, so this is in theory the program that we're going to try and build. Just a very simple program. I'll be able to send bang over serial to make the alarm make a noise, and I'll be able to send dot to make it silent. Oh. Huh. That's not quite what I want. This is not quite what I want. How did I do this? Did I just assign the value directly? Probably. Port B equals 1 left shift 5. Port B equals OXO. Enable pin 9 for output. Yeah, so this is like the low level shit, which I'm just gonna not try and figure out. So we can instead do digital write buzzer. See, oh god, ternary. I know ternary bad, but this is at least easier to understand. Okay. So if you start with the first thing, you're like, oh god, where's arduino.h? And then we add the header directory. Which wait, I can't spell. Which is this directory. And then we get a bunch of shit here. Device not found. AT mega 32U4. Pins arduino.h not found. FCPU not set. Yeah, I mean, we're basically just trying to figure out all the warnings until it stops completing. Pins Arduino, which needs to be in here. So we need to add this directory. Hooray! We get some warnings and it somewhat succeeds, but then fails to link. Great. Progress. That's not bad. Compiler optimization is disabled. Functions from util delayed won't work. FCPU not defined. What is FCPU supposed to be? FCPU. Default is this number. God, what the fuck does that mean? Arduino FCPU. Ah, CPU speed. Okay. I believe there was like a configuration file. This file? Yeah. No. This one. This is the one that we want. 404 not found. Hello, hello. How you doing? Micro dot something. Does this have compile flags? No. Oh, it does have FCPU. So in theory, we can get it out of this file. I wonder if there's a binary that tells us that. Because usually there's like a config. No. No, these are all just compiler things. But we can use that boards file. So if we grep micro dot something, micro dot build, I'm writing Rust, what am I doing? Variant $1 Okay. Keep trying to type var. Twuckfitch says you're trying to find what it is for your board. No, if I know what it is, but I'm trying to do it programmatically, and we've got that already. Aviarder, cores, arduino. This is variant slash variant. So I'm just gonna write a big ol' oops. Let's see. We'll change it to make file eventually. But this should hopefully... Oh, right. Should get... Okay, we're closer. Biniar, hello, hello. Biniar, yeah, that's how we would say it before. Welcome, Matt. Good to see you again. It's been a while. Mr. Singh is also here. Hello, hello. I'm curious what this delay.h thing is having trouble with. But I'm probably missing some argument. Let's see if we look at this. If ndef optimize, if we add OS to this, does that... Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, that's pretty cool. IDE says, should be possible to compile using just a plain make file. Yes, of course. I wanted to just try shit in a shell script first and then convert it to a make file. Mostly learning what all the bits do. I could just copy someone's make file. I found one already that probably works, but where's the fun in that? I would rather know how it works. Rather than just blindly copy and pasting from the internet. Plus, I feel like mine already has some small improvements over the base make file, so that feels better already. Okay, so the other things we have to do is build the C parts and then link them. Oops. What does this get used for? That's for AVR, dude. Don't care about that. We've got this shit working already. Don't care about the rest of these. Low level learning. Hello, hello. Welcome to the stream. With your fancy verified badge. How you doing? Welcome, welcome. I'm gonna skip the line breaks because I don't think we need them. I also don't know if we need to link in math. We'll just skip that too. We will need this to find all of that stuff. So we will need to build all of these C++ and C files, although I don't know how we know which ones we need to link and which ones we don't. Does it just build all of them and then... How does it know what we need and what we don't? Okay, Bringing back good memories of embedded class in university. The AntMail 328 datasheet was well used. Nice. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing, so I am mostly. I say no fucking idea. I've done a little bit of AVR programming, but I am by no means an expert, and I am mostly just guessing and checking. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, then I try something else. And I have fun along the way. Oh, do they have a makefile? Oh, there is one. Oh, those are the bootloaders? Yeah, we don't care about those. I don't think. Well, this sounds necessary. Oh, it's not UTF-8. Oh, this is to build LUFA. I hope I don't need that. Lol. For testing, we had to remote in and run out code on a bank of Arduino boards with webcams. Nice. I'm actually going to be doing something similar, although my webcam is going to be pointing at a 3DS. So we'll see how that goes. I'm a little nervous about this because I definitely need the USB serial, but I also don't know how that gets set up. It might just magically work, but I suspect that I'm gonna go back to back to starting over at some point. Because this makefile is just a LUFA makefile, and so I might just end up doing that after all. LUFA is a USB Arduino framework, which I've used before, but only through copy paste, without understanding anything that's going on. Maybe that's the better way to do this, but I don't know. It sounds fun, so that's why we're doing it. Haha. Okay, I don't think I need that. Okay, let's just start trying to link things together, I guess. Course. Unexpected by. Oh. What am I doing? Micro. Are there different C flags and CPP flags? Yeah. Do, 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 do. Yeah, surely nothing can go wrong here. Expected initializer before no accept. That makes me think it is the wrong C++ variant. I'm not familiar with this error message before. Probably. Also, don't that you need at least. Do. How do you copy an array? I don't know. Yeah, that seems to have worked. Oh, I guess I could just do... Let's do this. It's a lot further. USB vid not declared in this namespace. Uh... Hmm. Interesting. So I am supposed to be setting these things. So USB vid build.vid. Does their makefile have anything? No. Atlas, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see if this person's has that. Well, they do. Add USB vid and USB PID to C++ flags if the board is Leonardo. Uh-huh. Now it says I am. I hope you're doing well as well. I am. Cool. Parse board.tag. Oh, this is not the boards file. I guess we can just set this to things. Oh, these are just fun identifiers. Huh. So we need USB VID, USB PID. I don't know what that means. And probably this. Oh, it looks like we don't need to set this. Wait, I just set USB VID, did I not? Oh, I set PID. I don't know what the difference is. Wait, why are there C++ files here? Oh. Because my sed sucks. Damn, we done? I don't think so. I guess I can just call the linker and see what happens. um Multiple definitions of main. Main.cv undefined reference to setup and loop. Oh, I bet this comes with a main.c++. Yes. It does, so we are just supposed to define setup and loop. That is annoying because it means that we can't have we can't have variables without them being global. Oh, I don't really like that. But fuck it, whatever. We'll just have a global variable. Seems like there should be plenty of betting opportunities. I mean, kind of. Um, shouldn't be no such file directory main.o. Oh, did I? I'm dumb. Undefined reference to CXA guard acquire and CXA guard release. Interesting. What does this say? Predictions feel more like a Saturday stream? If no thread safe statics. Do not admit the extra code to use routines specified in the C++ ABI for thread safe initialization of local statics. Okay. So we're just down to whatever the fuck this is. It's mine. Huh. Oh, is that because we get a negative value here? Oh, that's funny. Because this is negative. Yeah. I'll let Chris fix it. Hey, what's up, Standard Robot? How you doing? Oh, is there a fucking assembly file in there? I don't see one. Oh, there is one. Look at that. Surely that'll work. Why is it mad about highlighting? No fucking idea. Can't create art, it is a directory. Oh, because I have C file in here? That shouldn't make a difference. So, what were the warnings? It's valid for C++, but not for C. Oh, I see. So what the fuck happened to the assembly one? Yeah, why didn't you get generated? Probably because I need not the GC but the assembler. Just brute forcing job applications right now? Ugh. There is a wiring pulse.o. Fuck. Oh wait, that is the file that we assembled. Oh, there's a .c and a .s. Do we need both of them? Why is there a backslash here? That shouldn't be needed. Holy fuck, it built. Wow. This doesn't feel that hard to transform into big file. But I also don't know if it worked. Wilfred, hello, how you doing? Good to see you again. Okay, so how do I convert this into hex? Object copy -o format. Can I just have the linker do that for me? Appreciate my. I haven't seen them yet. I haven't seen them all yet. I've been busy. Format. This seems like just standard GCC. Well, there might be useful stuff in here. There's the MCU. I know, that's what makes this really fucking terrible to Google. Because the MCU is like microcontroller CPU unit or some shit like that. Oh, it's just fucking impossible to search for. Hadouken! Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Oh damn, this would have been so useful last time I tried to fuck around with this. I was looking for this list of things that AVR GCC knows about. But yeah, did not ever figure that out. Stubs, blah blah blah. Don't give a shit about this. Why does it feel like it's repeating stuff? Oh, it's repeating it for every fucking processor type, which is great. Ignore that. Oh, but then it's just done. Okay, I guess we'll just do the object copy command then. AVR-O ihex main.elf main.hex. In theory, that's our board. Oh god, now we flash it and see what the fuck happens. Surely nothing can go wrong here. Doo-doo. Oh, it must have the old firmware on it. Will you set up dual Pokemon at the end? I actually already have another Switch microcontroller. You can't flash on streams against TOS? Yeah. I'm curious if I do this. Do we get it auto mounted here? No. Damn, it's gone now. Oh, fuck off. This is gonna be really annoying. Oh, I didn't press it fast enough. Full press. Yeah. Okay, so then I have to sudo validate. Really fucking annoying. Bad password. Yeah. It seems we do get that down there. Should go away now. Okay. So, in theory, if we type main.hex here and I do this, and then do this, it's doing something. Yeah, that killed my VM. Which is impressive. Which will... Yeah, I'm gonna unplug this guy. The terrifying. And password. I gotta bring the bot back up. Oh, and the Pokemon thing was partway through too. So we didn't lose all the work? Nah, it's not in the temp directory. But I also don't know if any of the work did anything because the device seems to crash immediately. Alright, the bot is started. Where was this? Skip 3, wait. Was it resetting? In the middle of the reset? No. It might not have. Alright, we're just gonna do the encounter just in case it's the shiny. Blah blah blah. I'm gonna plug the device in again after this and see what happens. What could go wrong, right? Surely it won't do exactly what just happened. Now that I see how you control the Switch, I bet someone could beat Dark Souls using only the terminal. I bet they could. Oh shit. My shell history is gone too. Just webcam. Alright, cool. Alright. I'm going to plug it in again. Hasn't died yet. Unknown USB I/O board. Yeah, fuck it. What could go wrong? There's that. How do I find what shit this made? Citrus! Thank you for the reset with Prime at 29 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. One of these TTYs is from this device. I don't know which one it is. I'm gonna try and disconnect it and see what goes away. Okay, that makes me think that it is TTY ACM 0? Which means... how does this library work? Hmm. Well then. Seems to not work. Hmm. Let's actually try... Oh! Beep! I don't know why my manual code didn't work. Did I typo it? Anyway, I don't know if you can hear it, but beep! Beep! Which means my code works! What the fuck? Absolutely should not work, but hey, what's up, on the server? Hello, hello. How you doing? Okay, so we have a thing that builds and beeps. Beep. I mean, that's all I wanted to get working. But I am gonna turn it into a makefile now. But it beeps. Can you hear it? Can you hear the beep chat, or do I just sound like a crazy person? You can hear it? Okay. Beep. 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 That's so cool! And it only took this shit to get it working. Okay, I kind of want to write my own main file so that I'm not just using global variables. So I'm gonna try and do that. Which is this file here. What the fuck does that mean? What is double under attribute weak? Maybe redefined by variant file. Oh. It's like the gemma defines it. This does not get initialized anywhere. So we don't care about either of those. USB con. I feel like this one we need. Yeah, I think we need that. Define USB con. Don't know where that comes from. I'm gonna assume we don't need. So I'm gonna just int main void I'm gonna do this, then it was a C++ file. Oh. And not. How do I find? Fine. Oh god, what was the yes from? What did I say? Why is there a yes? Dash name star.cpp dash a not dash name main.cpp. I leave this out. Oh, the beep. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Kanan Jarvis, hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Okay, yeah. Dash a not dash name main.cpp. Define name. Oh. We had the old .o file. Okay. Add password. I'm gonna try this again, see what happens. My VM hasn't crashed yet, so that's a plus. But I don't see my little device. Which means that I probably needed some more of that code. Somehow. Let me unplug it, replug it, just see if that. I did not get a doot doot doot, so that tells me that we don't have a USB device. Yeah. We in theory need more of that. That main.cpp. Perplexing. Probably need this, if I had to guess. This needs to. Mm-hmm. Damn, where's my USB device? We gotta do toot this time. Oh. Wait, I didn't have to double press to get it to... Weird. I'm gonna put this in there too. Let's just copy the whole fucking file and then comment shit out until it doesn't work. Yeah, that sounds like a good idea. Let's start with this. Oh. I'm just missing init in general. That seems important. Let's just do that first. USB serial. Let's see. Is it you? Void init. Wiring.c. Let's try that. Ah! Aha! How do I beep? Which tab was my beep in? It was this one. Beep! 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 Okay, that was it. That was it. Oh, this is so cool! Ah! Okay. That's pretty cool. I have a thing that beep. Yeah. I've spent 2 hours and all I have is beep. But I do have beep. Yes. Okay. I guess all that's left is to turn this into makefile. So really the only variable that I want is this. And this is the junk that you set. What the fuck did I do here? I put the wrong thing in the wrong spot. There and equals micro. Okay, and then we need to figure out how to get a configuration property. How do you run subshell in make? I believe there's just a thing for it. Do they not call anything in here? Probably not, because it looks like they're programming for Windows. I believe it's like $paren shell. Call executable, make file variable. I should just watch my makefile video because I'm pretty sure I talk about it in there. I know there's wildcard, which we'll use in a bit. God damn. Functions, here we go. Substitution for each if call shell. There we go. And how do we set? Jelly 3 Schools has some good tutorials, yeah. I set the shell. Set makefile to bash. I know there's a way to do this. Shell at the top. Hey, what's up, Metalstorm? Hello, hello. Do I have to do bin bash? Surely I can do this here. MCU. What is the difference between equals and colon equals in makefile? Makefile, colon equals versus equals. There's no way Google's gonna know what this is. Oh wow, it does. Variables defined are expanded when they are defined rather than when they are used. Okay, so how do I access other variables? Character slash words.txt. Clearly not like that. I think it's like this. I hate writing my files. Need this. Hooray! Okay. MCU is shell grep variant dot build dot MCU equals in off user bin main comp no such file or directory. Oh, that's because I suck at doing variables. There we go. Ooh, okay, this is working. Oh, what's the other prop that we did? FCPU. FCPU. Why did that one not work? Oh, because I forgot underscore. Hooray! Okay. And then C flags. Don't know what those are. Do you? This. Bit out of order. Hello, hello. Metal Storm, how you doing? Oh, I already said hi to you. Well, I said hi to you twice. Hooray. I am the Ant-Man. What does that mean, bit out of order? The XX flags. C++ 11. No thread safe statics. Your name is Anthony and you are the man. Therefore, Ant-Man. Uh-huh. Stonkfish says, hi, Anthony. Heard we're cashing in on free hellos. Hello, Stonkfish. How you doing? Hello, hello, even. You got a double one there. Okay. So, we now need to get these three things. So... So weird that you put random numbers for USB VID and PID and it works. I think they're the... I think, in fact, if I do LSUSB, this, and this 16, yeah, it's the device ID. So that's where that shows up. What does it mean? I don't fucking know. But I don't know, should we pick a funny one? Like dead beef or something? What should I put for USB PID and USB VID? How to obtain one? A product ID. Do I have to buy one? Blah 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 blah. Oh boy. USB.org manages the VID numbers. You can buy a VID numbers. What the fuck have I stumbled on? Oh my god, fuck this noise. USB 4? Oh no. Oh no! What is happening? Why do I need USB 4? We're just gonna go with I'm gonna use bad food. USB 4 nice spoiler? Yeah. For 4 times the confusion? Yeah. Oh wait, is it gonna do this correctly? Yeah, we'll get bad food here. Surely nothing can go wrong with that. Okay, so we need to find all of the files for Um. Wild card. This can be a thing. So, core. I think I need to quote this. R.S. Get the syntax for that. Yes, the GNU man page telling us about feet. Really, this uses something. Percent? Surprised there aren't more. Specifically feet on the street, yeah. Why does this not use subst that often? Hmm. Do. Oh, interesting. How's this gonna work? We need to take long path and then get short name in object directory. What is not dir? I need close some tabs. Unclose some tabs. Stay, you can stay. I am failing at closing more tabs. Think file not dir. Extracts all but the directory part of each of the file names in names. Oh, cool. That is great. That is what I want. So we can do not dir and then this directly? Is this like a shorthand for what we want, I guess? avrs.c equals, yeah, we can do that, I guess. What a normal tab abuser does is pretend like the tab problem doesn't exist by opening a new window. Nice. 4269, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. And then avrc. I feel like I've used this incorrectly because my quotes are not matched. Yeah, I do not need quotes. I probably need another parentheses there. How do we subtract something out? Make file subtract from list. Filter out. Turns all white space separated words and text that do not match any of the pattern words. Cool. Filter out main.cpp.o. Okay. No. Those are all of our objects, but I need to put a director name on the front of them. File name functions. Suffix, case name, add prefix. Yeah. Prefix to all of those. So then we should be able to do main.elf will be objects. What did our shell script say for that? EVR, JCC, C flags. Our inputs to our output. And then main.hex. AVR object copy. This. We have to make a special. This. C flags, CXX flags. O. This. The name. ABR. In theory, that will work. No way this is gonna work. Seems too simple. Can't create. Oh yes, we need to also have directory. What? What the fuck? Yeah, we're missing a whole lot of stuff here. I think this needs to go up the top. Reason. Just to be a little safe here. Okay, so we are missing something. We got no objects here. Which is interesting. Do, 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 do. Hmm. Why is the wildcard function not working? Oh god. Because I don't need a space. This is weird. And he says, question if you don't mind. Well, you've already asked one. What the fuck? Why doesn't this work? How do they do this? Theirs looks fine. There's like extra quotes here. Can I ask two? Sure. Maybe it's the quotes. It's probably the quotes. I'm guessing it's the quotes. It's the quotes, Lamau. Makes me nervous to not quote things, though. Undefined reference to init. What does .pj? I feel like this is some sort of crazy joke that I have missed. Okay, it has only tried to use one of the objects in the output. So that's first problem. Your chat doesn't like me. I mean, phony in your makefile. Oh. Is this gonna work? That one. Check out that video where I go over the basics of makefiles. That I probably should be watching myself because I am stumbling over all of the things that that video covers. Okay, that looks fine. That looks fine too. Oh, I have the wrong automatic variable here. First, dollar question mark. No. Dollar carrot. I have the wrong one. Yeah, I want dollar carrot. Here. No. The other ones are correct. Okay, this should build correctly now. Can't create main.cp. Oh, no such file or directory. These all need the object directory. Probably. Yay. We're gonna replace this out. Oops. Out copy. Yeah. And we're gonna do out slash. Oh, but we also need this to make the outdir. think this is what we need. No such file, main.elf, right? Cool. Maybe I should have it spit main.elf into the working directory. Seems decent. Or main.hex into the working directory. Brr. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's flash it and see what happens. First I have to do this. Bad password. Go. Give it a different driver ID. It has not attached. Oh, it's right here. We should say dead beef in here. Oh, bad food. That's what I decided to do. We got our bad food here. And if we go here. Beep. Okay. We do not need our t.sh anymore because we have all of the makefile magic. Okay, let me explain what the fuck's going on here because there's a lot. Basically, all that should be needed to make this work is to set up the directory where the AVR code lives, the Arduino, IDE, C, and other stuff directories, and to set the board variant. I'm using the Pro Micro, or the Micro variant, which is similar to a Leonardo. Then what it does is it finds the board configuration and the base Arduino code. It figures out the the CPU type and its clock speed from the configuration directory. Then it finds all of the assembly, C, and C++ files in the core Arduino code, so the things that need to get linked in. It converts each of those to .o files, mostly to make targets that we want later. We skip Arduino's main.cpp since we are writing our own. We figure out the entire list of objects, basically being our main output, and then all of the Arduino stuff. We set a bunch of C flags. This is to optimize for size. This sets our CPU. We need the USB ID so that we can connect. We tell it what CPU it is, and we add these two header directories. This is the core Arduino directory, and then this is our specific variant directory. In C++, we are C++11. We turn this off because apparently the Arduino code does not generate the right junk here. Then we have all of our targets. This is our main targets, the first target in the file. That's automatic, and we just want, our goal is to get main.hex. We have a few rules after that. One, to make our our temporary output directory. We have a rule for our main file, which is dependent on our source file. This is to say it's order dependent. It just cares that these get run. It doesn't care about them in actual in the variable parts. This is shorthand for this here, and this is shorthand for the first argument here. This compiles our main, this compiles the assembly files, this compiles the C files, this compiles the C++ files, and then finally we link it all together here. It takes all of the object files, turns it into a binary, and then we convert the binary to hex, and then this is a little cleanup task. So actually not that complicated. But kind of cool. Blue Sailor, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Did I make a commit here already? I did. Readme.md. 3ds microcontroller. Building. Figure out your board name from the show. Let's see. Up on Ubuntu, I needed the following packages. AVR. Install AVR, GCC, AVR, Arduino Core AVR, order. And AVR, dude. Just little L. I feel like there were more packages than that. Yes, Socratic says, what is your shiny count? Like this column. 1,988. A lot. Ooh, AVR libc. I don't think I actually used this package here. Alphabetical, this is technically first. Oopsie. Bad password. Cool. IDR variants. Is that the, what did I call it in the thing? This is more setup. Build. Make day from day 5. Feel nice and easy. Setup. Setup, configure, build, flash. Or this P may be different. I'm using micro. What does it actually say in this ReamD? Yeah. Yeah, just copy. Oh, I wonder if I can just do make variant equals. Yeah. I don't know. For now, this is a good start. Has your thing reset on any yet? This particular program or just in general? This particular program has not found a shiny yet. It is very unlikely that it will in a short amount of time. The expected value for this particular method is 182 hours, or about 9 or 10 days. I guess not 9 days, like 8 days, but a lot of days. Yeah, but it has found shinies, and that is a thing. And skeleton main.cpp and make file. Sunnyside says a 13-minute video later and you made me a makefile genius. I made someone a genius, Bean. A genius. Drugs. Oh, I probably should have set up some amount of pre-commit. No, well, this is fine. Oh, this is C++. I don't need to do this fucking garbage. What am I doing? Wow. Oni Scythe, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I don't even have to do while what? Wow, I'm truly living in the future. I can use the keyword true. Rid of this. Oh, I should make sure it still builds. Cool. Also, I only changed one file and then it rebuilt everything for me. Hooray! Okay, but using integers as booleans, it's giga-based, unless, but, I don't know. C++. We have nice things now. We have null pointer. We don't need to use 0 anymore. To be fair, it's 4 to 5 times faster. I think it'll compile to exactly the same code. I'm pretty sure it compiles to exactly the same code. While one. Well, fuck, there's a lot of code here. Where's the fucking loop part? Oh, it has probably just turned it into a jump. Call. Why is it's compiled out my loop? Because we can't even see the actual, we don't even see this in here at all. Because otherwise it would highlight a line of code for us. But I'm pretty sure if we copy this and I change it to true, we will get exactly the same code. Yeah. Doesn't make a difference. Oh, you mean to write? Okay, sure. Why use logical or and logical and when you can use plus and times? Oh, I see. I see. We're writing chaotic C++ now. Is this fucking shit down here? No. 3DS microcontroller. We're gonna leave the description blank for now. Figure that out later. And there's gonna be absolutely no directions in this for now. Let's do. Let's have it push one button just to see. Play. UK02, thank you for the follow. Sorry if I missed that. Welcome to the stream. Just gonna set all of them to output modes. This Arduino code for catching shinies? Yes, that is eventually the goal. A wayward soul. I mean, that's what's happening down here right now. This code here is communicating with this Arduino. Well, this Pro Micro. It's not actually Arduino code here. It's AVR to be specific. Blah blah blah. But yeah. There's a whole bunch of YouTube videos that I've done on this. I think there's a playlist. Yeah. Check out that video. That kind of goes into more details about this thing, but I've done a whole bunch of videos on this. One of my silly passion projects. Playlist. Nintendo Switch controller. Yeah. So you can see some of the videos that I've done. But yeah, anyway. But now I'm trying to do it with a 3DS. So I'm doing fancy soldering and taking apart a 3DS, and yeah. And it still works. Hooray. But yeah. Do. So from what I understand, if I remember correctly, I need to actually output a low signal for the button to be considered pressed. So this is gonna look backwards, but it is intentional. I wasn't fast enough, damn. Now, in theory, I should be able to hook this up to my 3DS and be able to press buttons. But I'm going to do that off stream. We got this working, which is exciting. And I will save my disappointment / excitement till next time. But that's going to wrap it up. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. Go there, subscribe, etc. Blah blah blah. Check out my videos. I try and upload educational video once a week. I normally stream Monday evenings and Saturday at noon. I announce those streams in the Discord, which you are free to join. Come hang out with us. There's a beginners channel if you want to ask programming questions, and then there's a bunch of other fun social channels as well. So stop by there and hang out. But that's gonna wrap us up. Let's go find someone to raid.